The woman who runs the Hands of Virtue Etsy shop, link in the description, sent me these adorable bun covers for free to try out and review. These are hand crocheted by her. They're machine washable. You can request whatever customization that you want. She has some that are already made ready to go in her shop, and then she's open to different sizes, different colors. I told her I like pink, so I got this pink flower. This one's a bit longer and wider. This one has a flower too, just a little more subtle because it's in the same color. It has a drawstring here to cinch it around your bun, but you can also use hair sticks or hair pins through anywhere here to hold it on as well. So let's take a look and see what they're like in my hair. I'm just gonna do a regular cinnamon bun. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this one over it. Okay, and that is a bit wide. There's some room to grow, which we like. Still trying to get longer hair always. So I'm just gonna pull it here so it bunches up at the base. And I can cinch and tie it, or I can put a stick through, put Amish pins through, whatever. Isn't that darling? And what a great way to kind of dress up your hair quickly and easily. It really is a statement. It's quite beautiful and noticeable, so I always love that. All right, let's try the other one. So perfect. This really reminds me of my high school days. I used to wear little snoods and bun covers like almost every day. It's really kind of known for that at school. Yeah, that is so cute. So definitely click on the link in the description and take a look at what she's got there. And a big thank you to her for sending me free stuff to review. All right, see you next time.